everyone, and welcome to English Friends Chat. Today, we are
talking about food.
Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Emma.
And I am Ryan, we are best friends, and we are here to help you practice English.
If you are new here, welcome to our group. We speak slowly, and we speak clearly because we want you to understand.
Before we begin, please click the subscribe button, and please like this video, it helps us very much.
Yes, thank you, it helps our channel grow. So Ryan, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling good, Emma, but I have a small problem.
A problem? Oh no, is it a serious problem?
No, it is not serious, but my stomach is making noises.
Your stomach is making noises. I think that means you are hungry.
Yes, I am very hungry. I did not eat lunch yet.
Oh dear, poor Ryan, talking with an empty stomach is difficult.
It is difficult. I am dreaming about a big burger.
A burger sounds nice. Maybe we can get food after we record this video.
That is a perfect plan. Hearing that makes me feel better.
Good, I am glad. So Ryan, your hunger is perfect for our topic today.
Really, what is our topic today?
Today we are talking about everyone's favorite subject. We are talking about food.
Food? Oh my goodness, that is my favorite topic, but it will make me more hungry.
That is true, but it is very important for English learners.
Yes, everyone eats, so everyone needs words for food.
Exactly. Today we will talk about meals, we will talk about tastes, and we will talk about cooking.
I am ready. Let's start talking about delicious things.
Ryan, let's start with the first meal of the day.
The first meal, that is breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. Do you like breakfast?
I love breakfast. It is my favorite meal. I think it is the most important meal.
I agree. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat a big breakfast. I like salty food in the morning.
Salty? Let's explain that word.
Good idea. Salty means the food tastes like salt. It is not sweet like sugar.
So examples of salty food are eggs, cheese, and meat.
Yes, exactly. I eat 2 eggs and I eat toast with butter, and sometimes I eat bacon.
That is a very full breakfast. You have a big appetite.
I do. I need energy for the day. What about you, Emma? What is your breakfast habit?
My habit is different. I like sweet food in the morning.
Sweet food, so you like sugar.
A little bit. Sweet means it tastes like sugar or honey. Fruit is sweet, cake is sweet.
So, what do you eat?
I usually eat a bowl of yogurt, and I put fruit on top.
What kind of fruit do you use?
I use bananas or strawberries. It is fresh and healthy.
That sounds very healthy. My breakfast is heavy, your breakfast is light.
Yes, I cannot eat heavy food early in the morning.
I understand. Now let's talk about lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Yes, usually at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock.
Do you take lunch to work? Or do you buy lunch?
I try to bring lunch from home. It is cheaper.
That is smart. Restaurant food is expensive.
It is. Usually I make a sandwich.
A sandwich is easy. What is inside your sandwich?
I put chicken, lettuce, and tomato. Simple and good.
That sounds tasty. Tasty is another word for delicious.
Yes, tasty means it tastes good.
I sometimes buy my lunch. I like to buy soup.
Soup is good for cold days. Do you like vegetable soup?
Yes, I love tomato soup. It is warm and comfortable.
Now, Emma, I have a big question for you.
What is the question?
Do you like spicy food?
Spicy, oh that is a strong word.
Spicy means the food is hot in your mouth, like chili peppers.
I know what spicy is, and the answer is no. I do not like spicy food.
Really, you don't like it?
No, it hurts my mouth. I need to drink water immediately.
That is funny. I love spicy food. I put hot sauce on everything.
On everything, even on your eggs.
Yes, on my eggs, on my chicken, on my rice. I love the heat.
You are brave. I prefer mild food.
Mild, that is the opposite of spicy.
Yes, mild means calm. No fire in the mouth.
Okay, so no spicy food for Emma. Let's talk about dinner.
Dinner is the last meal of the day in the evening.
Do you like to cook dinner, Emma?
I do like to cook, but I am not a chef.
You are modest. I think you are a good cook.
Thank you. I like to follow a recipe.
A recipe, that is a useful word.
A recipe is a list of instructions for cooking. It tells you how to make the food.
Yes, it tells you the ingredients.
Ingredients are the things you need like flour, sugar, milk, or meat.
Do you follow the recipe exactly?
Yes, I follow it exactly. If I don't follow it, I make mistakes.
Tell me about a mistake. Did you burn something?
Oh yes, one time, I tried to make a pizza.
Pizza is hard to make at home.
It is. I put the pizza in the oven, and I went to watch TV.
Oh no, I think I know what happened.
I forgot about the pizza. Suddenly, I smelled smoke.
Oh dear, was the pizza black?
It was completely black. It looked like a rock.
That is a funny story, but also a sad story.
We had to order food from a restaurant that night.
That is a good solution. What is your favorite restaurant food?
I love Italian food. I love pasta and lasagna.
Italian food is amazing. I love it too.
What about you? Are you a good cook?
I am okay. I cook simple things. I like to grill meat.
Like steak or burgers?
Yes, in the summer, I cook outside in the garden.
That is nice. Food tastes better outside.
I agree, but I have a weakness. I have a guilty pleasure.
A guilty pleasure? That means something you love, but maybe it is not healthy.
Yes, my guilty pleasure is dessert.
Dessert, the sweet food after dinner.
Yes, I love chocolate cake and ice cream and cookies.
You have a sweet tooth.
I have a very big sweet tooth. That means I love sugar.
Me too. I love chocolate. I eat a little piece of chocolate every day.
Only a little piece. You have good self-control.
I try, but sometimes I eat the whole bar.
It happens. Chocolate is too delicious.
So Ryan, we talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And we talked about salty, sweet, and spicy.
Food is such a big part of culture and life.
It is. Eating together is how we make friends.
Yes, sharing a meal is a beautiful thing.
Emma, we used many delicious words today.
We did. Let's review them for our friends.
Good idea. Repetition helps us learn.
The first word is meal.
A meal. This is the time we eat. Breakfast is a meal. Lunch is a meal. Dinner is a meal.
Perfect. Next word is salty.
Salty means the food tastes of salt, like chips or cheese. It is savory.
Good. Next is sweet.
Sweet means the food has sugar, like fruit, candy, or cake.
And the word spicy.
Spicy means the food is hot. It burns your mouth, like chili peppers.
Next word is recipe.
A recipe is the instructions you read to cook food.
And ingredients.
Ingredients are the food items you use to make a dish, like eggs, flour, and milk.
And one more, tasty.
Tasty simply means delicious. It is good to eat.
Excellent definitions, Ryan.
Thank you, Emma. Now, are you ready for a game?
I am always ready for a game.
This game is called Guess the Food.
Okay, how do we play?
I will describe a food. I will tell you the color and the taste. You must guess what it is.
That sounds fun. I am ready.
Okay, food number 1. This food is yellow. It is a fruit. It is long and curved, and it is sweet.
Yellow, long, and sweet. Is it a banana?
Yes, it is a banana. Very good.
Yay, my turn. This food is round. It is Italian. It has tomato sauce and cheese on top.
Oh, that is easy. That is my favorite. It is pizza.
Correct, it is pizza.
Okay, next one. This food is green. It is a vegetable. It looks like a small tree.
A small tree. Interesting description. Is it broccoli?
Yes, it is broccoli. Some children do not like it, but I like it.
I like broccoli too. Okay, last one.
I am listening.
This food is cold, very cold. It is sweet. We eat it in the summer, usually in a cone.
I know this one. It is ice cream.
Yes, it is ice cream. What is your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate, always chocolate.
Classic choice. I like vanilla.
Vanilla is good too. Well done, Emma. You are good at this game.
Thank you. You are good too.
Well, friends, our conversation about food is finishing.
Now I am very hungry.
Me too. My stomach is growling again. Listen.
I believe you. We need to go eat soon.
We hope you enjoyed this delicious conversation.
We hope you learned some new words to describe your meals.
Next time you eat, try to think of the English words.
Say to yourself, this is salty or this is sweet.
Or this is tasty.
Small practice every day is important.
Now, it is time for the question of the day.
We want to know about your food.
Today's question is, what is your favorite meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and why?
Yes, please tell us, for example. You can write, my favorite meal is breakfast because I love coffee.
Or you can write, my favorite meal is dinner because I eat with my family.
There is no wrong answer. We just want you to practice writing.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We love reading your comments. They are very interesting.
And if you have a question about food words, ask us.
Yes, we are here to help you.
Thank you for watching English Friends Chat today.
Thank you for your time. You are doing a great job.
Don't forget to eat something delicious today.
And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye everyone, enjoy your meal.